How to fix file app not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you're struggling with the Files app not working on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through some simple steps to get it back up and running. So let's dive right in. First things first, dive into your settings and then go to General and tap on iPhone storage. So, if you're running low on space, consider deleting some unwanted files to free up storage. Then, here, search for Files. Now, go ahead and tap on Offload app. So, offloading files will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So you can reinstall it again from the App Store. And this will also refresh the glitches and errors. However, if this also doesn't work, then it might be the device's issue. So try to force restart the device by tapping on the volume up button and power button at the same time. Sometimes restarting a device goes a long way. And hopefully, one of these tips help you fix the Files app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.